So you've created your Shopify Partners account. So if you want to build your store, that's what you're going to do in this video. We're going to see how you can create your first development store. So it will just be a normal Shopify store, and the dashboard for that store is the same as any other Shopify store. If you create yours using the 14-day free trial, it will just be the same dashboard. So in this case, you'll just click on your development stores if you want to build your first store. Scroll down, you're going to see here you have this button. Just click on create store to create your first store, and then you can create the login information for your store and add all the store details there, and then the store purpose. What will you do with this development store? Build a new store for a client, test an app or a theme. I'm just playing around. So for here, I can choose build a new store for a client, and then region, all these details, just add them to match up with where you are. So add all of this information, and then your store name. How do you want to call your name, your store? Make sure it's something that is clear for you and is also in line with what you're selling. And when you finally decide to get yourself a domain name, make sure it's something that will not be very far from the domain name. Okay, so for me, let's say I want to create a store where I sell computer RAMs and other parts. So mostly I'm going to deal with computer RAM, that is random access memory, so computer memory. So let's say I want to call my store RAM store. So you can see this is already taken, so I can call mine RAM store 360. So 360 is just like 360 all round, so everything about RAM. Okay, so RAM store 360. So if I was to get this domain, it will probably be available, and if it won't be, then I will just find a way to customize it so that it can be something as close to this. And then of course add your password. Make sure it's strong. It's got capital, small letters and special characters. The capitals are not mandatory, but if you want a strong password, make sure you add them. And let's see if I need to add this information. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So just give it a while for the store to get created. Then you can continue on with this. Are you already selling online? Let's say I'm not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? Yes, I have products to sell, ready to launch. So what is your current revenue? I'm just getting started. Yes, I'm designing development store for a client. So just go next. You can also skip this. Next. And then an address so you can get paid. Add all your information here. All this information, make sure you add all of them. Everything that is mandatory. Let me see what is mandatory here. So you can see these are all mandatory. So fill in all this and then click on enter my store. And once you've filled in all those details, you are on your store dashboard. So here on your store dashboard, these are all the things that you have to build an online store. In the next videos, I'm going to do a brief overview of these elements so that you can have an idea how you can do various things with all the links that you have here. So this is your online store. So regardless of how you build your store, this is where you're going to have your store, and this is how your dashboard is going to be like. Okay, even if you start with a 14-day free trial, this is exactly how your store is going to look like as of the date of this recording. So if anything changes, it will not be a very big change because Shopify is a business and they try as much as possible to make the usability of the platform as consistent as possible. So even if they make a change, it will be in line with what they have here. It will not be a very, very magnificent change that will make it impossible for you to follow along with these videos. All right, that's how you create your store. So I will see you in the next videos. And in the next videos, what we are going to do is we're going to see what all these links are for. So basically, I will be doing an overview of the Shopify dashboard. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel very free to reach out.